Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a really special video because my good friend Nikki chatting from Absolute Nails, her wonderfully talented mom has made me some lovely acrylic items which are in this box, and they're a total surprise. I haven't seen them. Well, I tell you, I have seen one of them, the feather trinket thing, but I haven't seen it in person. I've only seen it on a video. But everything else is a total surprise, so we're gonna open them together. And I'll link Linda's channel, which is Nikki's mom, and which is Unique Nails, down below. And also I'll leave Nikki's channel, which is Absolute Nails, also in the comments down below, for you to go and check them out, and please subscribe to them because they are amazing ladies. Right, so let's get on, and this is the size of the box. So as you can see, I haven't opened it. I've just taken my address off because I don't want to be putting my address, so I just take all this off. God, I don't cut myself. The last thing I need right now. What's this side? It's already done. Right, there we go. All well packaged for the way. Right, side. Oh, there's a little note. I've sliced it, so I mean. Hi Tracy, thank you so much for the resin design I've done. Hope you like them and enjoy having them. Stay safe and well. Love, Linda. That's really sweet. So, oh, we have worms. We have white worms. Right. So I'm going to take all these out because they are bubble wrap, so I can move this box because I literally need to get a bigger table. So move all these, and then I can move the polystyrene and the worms. That one there. Right. So move this big polystyrene. Oh, I just got it standing there for me. Just move that over there. Just bear with me, guys. Oh. The chinchillas to get that. Right, so the first one I'm going to open is this one. And I wanted my faith in this guy, in this video, guys, so you can honestly see my reactions, because I'm literally seeing them from the first time, just like you. So here is the first one. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at this, guys. Isn't that stunning? Oh boy. And I love how she does this. And it's just perfect. Look at her. Honest to God. Guys, you really need to go and check it out. But please, if you do say you're going to buy something from this lovely lady, Linda, then please do. Don't mess her around, because look at the incredible items you will be getting. Honestly. And they're a lot better than some of the ones I've seen online. So there's the first one. Next we have another one. Wow. Look at this one, guys. Look at the butterfly. How cute is that? And that's the bottom. Seriously, guys, have you ever seen anything as stunning as that? I love the butterfly. Go perfect on my table. Some more other butterflies. So that's that one. And then we have think this one's 2 parts. We have this beautiful lid for something. I think it's a wee trinket box. And here is the bottom for it. So, I think it just goes on like this. Look. Wow, look how stunning this is. And look at the detail in that, guys. Look how stunning that is. And that, just sitting there. Let's put it on the camera. Look how perfect that looks. Just sitting on my table already. And this is absolutely gorgeous. So is this. And they will be sitting pride of place on my table. I was going to put them in the cabinet, but they're too pretty for that. They can stay in pride of place just where they are on my table. So, anyways, that's what the marvellously talented Linda, also known as Unique Nails, made for me. Really go and check out their channels once I link them below, guys, as it would mean the absolute world to me, as they are really, really lovely. And Linda, I honestly can't thank you enough for what you've made me. They are absolutely stunning, and I will be ordering more soon. Take care, and bye, guys. I hope to see you in my next. Bye.